Mailing list. Mailing list, a list of the names and addresses of people to whom material such as advertising matter, information, or a magazine may be mailed, etc. Word support Excel, Access, SQL Server, etc. as data source for mailing list. Word enable you to create a new data source through step-by-step mail merge wizard or type new list. Mailings tab. Choose select recipients. Type a new list. In the new address list dialog box, type recipient information in each column as appropriate. You can use tab to go to the next column and shift with tab to go to the previous. To add another recipient, click New Entry. If you need more columns, such as for middle name, follow these steps. In the new address list dialog box, choose Customize Columns. Choose Add. Type a field name and then click OK. In the Save Address List dialog box, give your new file a name, and then choose Save. Shortcut for creating a new address list. Alt. Then M. Then R. Then N.